Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, we have completed two chapters in Flamingo book and two poems in the same book. And I have explained line by line each chapter. Dear students, today I am going to teach you the first chapter of your Vistas book, and the name of chapter is the third label. This particular chapter, the third label, has been written by one of the renowned American writer, or his name is Jack Finney. Jack Finney was born on 2nd October 1911 at Wisconsin in USA, or he worked as a novelist, story writer, and contributed a lot in the field of literature. This well-known writer died on 16 November 1995 at California in USA. Or his notable works are The Body Snatchers and Times and Again. This particular lesson, the third label, is dear student, this particular story is a blending of fiction and reality. It is about the man's desire to escape from the harsh realities of present life. Or here two characters are very important, dear students. One is Charlie or another is Sam. Actually the whole story rotates about this man Charlie, who is trying to escape from the harsh realities of present time. Or this man Charlie is actually telling about one of the amazing fact that is not easily believed by other people. Actually, one day Mr. Charlie was in hurry, or he had to catch the train from Grand Central Station. Or when he reached to the station, he decided to take the subway train. Or everybody knows that there are two labels at Grand Central Station. Or the writer wanted to catch the train from that station, Grand Central Station. But when he entered at that station, or he got one unknown way, one unique way, through that he was unable to come out. Or in search of that subway train, writer was moving from one side to another side, or he was not getting his place, his label, his platform. Or fortunately, dear students, he reached to the another label of Grand Central Station. Or how he knew, how this man knew? Because the things which were on that platform were completely different. The man is of 20th century, but the things which were given on that station where he reached, they were of 19th century. So he was totally amazed to see even the shape of the train, even the suppose booking window, even the gas light, even the newspaper which he saw and got and saw at the station, that particular newspaper was also of June 11, 1894, or that was about the President Cleveland. So all that things were totally amazing for him, or he did that thing, or he decided to go Galesburg. That was his dream place where he used to live in his childhood, dear students. But unfortunately, he had not old currency. Due to that, he could not get the tickets. Or his experience of third level, or he came out finally, or when he told his experience of third level, story of third level, to his wife and to his friend, psychiatrist friend Sam. So they thought that he was doing only to escape from the harsh realities of life. He was only making the story. Understood? So this was the thinking of his psychiatrist friend. Understood? Or finally, dear students, he went to the coin shop, or there he arranged the old coins and old currency to purchase the tickets for his dream place, Galesburg, or he wanted to go to that level, but other people, they were not believing his story. They were believing that he is telling a lie, he is trying to escape from the reality. Understood? Or one day, dear students, or they were making fun of him. But one day, when he was also fond of collecting stamps. Or dear students, when he was seeing his collection, at that time he got one envelope, or in that envelope, that address to his grandfather. Address was written of his grandfather of Galesburg. Or finally, when he opened that envelope, there was a piece of paper, or on that there was a letter, or that letter was dated July 1894, or written by his friend, psychiatrist friend Sam. Or he has written that he has reached finally the Galesburg. He got third level, or he encouraged his friend that he should continue his mission of searching third level. Understood? So, but that letter was not posted. Understood? That particular letter was not delivered by postman. Or finally, his friend Sam reached to that Galesburg, his Illinois, that his dream place. So in this story, dear students, we will discuss about all these things, that how this central character Charlie reached to the third level of Grand Central Station. How he was trying to escape from the harsh realities of life. How his friend written that letter, or he mentioned the date 18 July 1894. Understood? So we will discuss in this story this third level, or in next video, dear students, I will teach you line by line that how he reached, how suppose he came many times out of that third level, or from that Grand Central Station. Dear students, we will study in the next video. We will also discuss that how his wife was worried. How his wife was worried to see this change in the nature of her husband. Dear students, so the story of third level is very interesting, dear students. Or in this story, dear students, we will discuss all these things. And we will also discuss that writer is not unhappy with his, or the character Charlie is not unhappy with his wife. He is unhappy because he finds the world full of suppose many full of hurry, tension and terror. So that his friends tells that he wants to escape from the reality. Understood? So you will read the lesson and write the summary of this particular chapter, that how he reached, how he definitely saw the things were different on third level. Understood? So thank you dear students. You will write the summary.